Is Windows failing to load because of the Pidgen library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before diving into the Pidgen library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Pidgen library, the product ID generation library. It manages the unmanaged localized validation of localized software localized license keys and facilitates the localized orchestration of localized digital entitlement manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including Pidgen library DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Pidgen library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. The version of Pidgen library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Pidgen library configuration concepts. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Pidgen library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.